Painting is a major maintenance activity that needs serious preparation and maintains safety control. Firstly, preparation must be carried out carefully. Before starting the painting job, we start risk assessment to get work permit approval. We look at everything that could go wrong: fire risks from flammable solvents, inhalation of fumes, falls from height, or flying debris during surface preparation. If we're working aloft, over the side, or doing any grinding, a permit to work must be issued by the chief officer. Then we hold a toolbox meeting with the crew. We discuss the hazards, the specific painting system we're using, and the exact personal protective equipment that everyone must wear. Next is surface preparation, and you can't cut corners here. All old, loose paint and rust have to be removed. We use chipping hammers or grinders to get the steel surface to the required standard. We will grind the edges of the steel structure for a smooth transition to get long life of the paint. After that, the area needs a thorough wash with fresh water to remove any salt, grease, or dust. We also mask off any nearby equipment, windows, or brass fittings to protect them from overspray. Finally, before starting, we check our materials. Do we have the right paint, the right color, and enough of it? We check the expiry dates and mixing ratios, especially for two-part epoxies. If we're working in an enclosed space, we set up portable ventilation fans to keep the air clear of fumes. And crucially, we position fire extinguishers, usually CO2 or foam, nearby as a precaution. Once the painting begins, our focus shifts to execution and control. PPE must be worn and no compromising. I make sure everyone is wearing their full coveralls, safety goggles, chemical-resistant gloves. Most importantly, a respirator with the correct vapor cartridges. We rope off the area with warning signs to keep unauthorized crew from walking into wet paint or a hazardous zone. If someone is working over the side, a dedicated standby person is always there, maintaining communication. And to minimize fire risk, all paint tins and thinner cans are kept tightly sealed when not in immediate use. Quality control is happening simultaneously. We follow the manufacturer's specs for wet film thickness to ensure the new coating provides proper protection. For two-pack paints, we strictly adhere to the mixing instructions and pot life, never mixing more than we can use in time. We're also constantly watching the weather. We don't paint if it's about to rain, or if the steel temperature is too close to the dew point, as that can cause blistering later on. And last but not least, cleanup. Used rags, empty tins, and leftover paint residue are considered operational waste. They are highly flammable and must be collected in a designated sealed metal drum for proper disposal ashore. They never ever go overboard or get mixed with regular garbage. All leftover paint and thinners are returned to the paint locker and secured. It's a lot to manage, but doing it this way ensures a long-lasting, quality finish and, most importantly, keeps everyone safe.